It's time to get rid of the bulky one. Meet K3, the world's first wireless mechanical keyboard that comes with hot swappable low-profile optical switches. Thanks to the innovative low-profile switch, which is 40% slimmer than a conventional mechanical switch, the K3 is one of the thinnest wireless mechanical keyboards ever. Yet, it still offers a remarkable mechanical keyboard tactile response to enhance your productivity. We've redesigned the Gateron low-profile mechanical switch with an MX stem to enhance its reliability and make it easily compatible with future possible alternative keycaps on the market. A similar idea is also implemented on the Keychron low-profile optical switch, so you can type and play at lightning speed with these durable switches. Customize your typing experience for every key by swapping out optical switches in seconds without soldering. Just pop them in and it's done. Doesn't matter if you're drafting an email, writing a novel, gaming, or whether you prefer linear, clicky, or light bump in between, we've got you covered. Designed for both Mac and Windows, the K3 is perfect for multitasking. You can connect the K3 with up to 3 devices via the latest Bluetooth 5.1 chip and switch amongst devices with ease. Or connect it to a device with a Type-C cable. The popular 75% layout allows easy access to all the essential keys, but still compact enough with a streamlined aluminum body. Plus, it comes with 15 RGB backlight settings that can always sync with your mood. The K3, your ultimate compact wireless mechanical keyboard.